How strange. Where is everybody?
It is quieter than usual.
Maybe they're playing a game.
Quite possibly. We did play Oolie yodeling last time we were here.
Yes, great idea, Mo. They'll have to reply if they hear us yodel. Oolie, 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 ho-ho!
It's a deal of a lifetime, wouldn't you say?
Totally amazing.
A lifetime supply may have got. How pretty would these twinkle stones look in Gizmo Town Hall?
Mayor Garth, I think I heard Alva arrive.
All we're requiring in return is for each of you to shout out your name while simultaneously smelling a plattberry flower. Just to make it all official, according to the troll rules of flim-flams and hoodwinks.
I'm allergic to swapberry dust.
To be clear, this is a plattberry flower, not a swapberry flower.
You have yourselves a deal.
All together, say your names into the platt flower.
Oolie Palm.
It worked!
We're Oolies now.
And they're trolls.
Alva's Oolie Yodel.
Maybe she can help.
Oh, Alva, you've no idea how glad we are to see you. They made us smell a flower
For a card of twinkle stones.
that we don't even want anymore.
Something's not right, Mo. Why are the trolls acting like that?
It would not be the first time a troll has tried to trick someone.
But it's almost like they were happy to see us. Please excuse us for a moment. The best way to avoid being tricked by trolls is to ignore them.
Where has Alva gone?
Let's get out of here, Mo.
When you're in the mayor's body, you can open the mayor's office.
Let's make mischief.
That's a lot of noise coming from Mayor Garth's office.
It does not sound very mayoral.
The weirdest thing just happened.
Huh? Alva, what are you doing here?
Mo and I bumped into the trolls. They're behaving really strangely.
Yes, the trolls. She doesn't know. Don't believe a thing they say. It's just their latest cunning trick, no doubt. Now, run along. I got lots of Mary-type things I gotta do. This is Oolie only business.
But I wasn't finished telling...
Goodbye.
They're wrecking the office. Something's definitely off.